Hi students, today I am doing the problems based on adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. Exercise 4.5. Find the adjoint of 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find the adjoint of the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that adjoint of a matrix means we have to find first cofactors of each and every element. Find the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Then take the transpose of that matrix, that is adjoint of the given matrix. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to find the cofactor of each and every element. Cofactor of 1 equal to A11 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into minor of 1 equal to, we have minus 1 whole power 2 equal to plus 1 into the minor of 1 equal to the element 1 lies in first row and first column. So we have to close the first row and first column. Then the remaining element here we are having 4. So equal to plus 4. Cofactor of 2 equal to A12 equal to the element 2 lies in first row and second column. So A12 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into minor of 2. Minor of 2 equal to the element 2 lies in first row and second column. So we have to close second column and first row. Then we have the element 3 here. So equal to minus 1 whole power 3 into minor of 2 equal to 3. So equal to minus 3. Now cofactor of 3 equal to, cofactor of 3 is denoted by capital A to 1 equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into minor of 3 so equal to minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1 into minor of 3 equal to 2, so equal to minus 2. Next, cofactor of 4 equal to minus 1 whole power, it's denoted by A22 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 into minor of 4 equal to minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1 into minor of 4 equal to the element 4 lies in second row and second column. Close the second row and second column. Remaining element we have to take in a determinant. Determinant of 1 is always equal to 1 only. So plus 1. Now cofactor matrix of A equal to, cofactor matrix of A equal to, we have A11, A12, A21, A22 equal to A11 equal to plus 4, A12 equal to minus 3. Yeah, here we have A21 equal to minus 2, A22 plus 1. Now the transpose of this matrix is adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A equal to 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 transpose equal to, the transpose of this matrix is obtained by interchanging rows into columns. First row becomes first column, 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. Find the adjoint of the matrix 1 minus 1 2, 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. Now here we have to find the cofactors of each and every element in the matrix. After finding the cofactors of each and every element in the matrix, then we find transpose of that matrix. Then we get adjoint of this matrix. So here, first we have to take the matrix equal to A. Let A equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 0, 1. Now, we have to find the cofactors of each and every element now. First we have the cofactor of the 1 equal to cofactor of 1 equal to, we know that whenever we have a 3 by 3 matrix, we can take the signs directly plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So for this element we have to take the sign plus plus into, now here we have to write the minor of 1. Here the element 1 lies in first row and first column. So here we have to close first row and first column. Here the first column is this one and first row is we are having minus 1, 2. So the remaining element we should write in a determinant 3, 5, 0, 1 equal to plus of 3 into 1, 3 minus 5 into 0, 0, so equal to plus 3. Next one, cofactor of minus 1. Cofactor of minus 1, it's denoted by A12, it's denoted by A11 equal to, we have the sign minus, minus of determinant of, we need to identify the element minus 1 here which lies in which row and which column. Minus 1 lies in first row and second column. So second column we have to close and first row we have to close. So then we have 2, 5, minus 2, 1. So that it's equal to, here we are having minus of 2 into 1, 2, product of principal diagonal elements minus product of half diagonal elements minus 10. So equal to minus 12. Next, cofactor of 2. A13 equal to cofactor of 3 equal to, we have the sign here plus determinant of, the element 3 lies, 2 it is, cofactor of 2. The element 2 lies in first row and first column. So close the first row and first column. The remaining elements we have to take in a determinant 2, 3, minus 2, 0 equal to, we have plus of 2 into 0, 0, minus of minus 6 equal to plus 6. Next we have cofactor of 2. A21 equal to cofactor of 2 equal to, we are having a sign minus, minus determinant of, the element 2 lies in first column and second row. So close the first column and second row. The remaining elements we have minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So equal to, we are having minus of minus 1 minus 0 equal to plus 1. Next, cofactor of 3. A22 equal to cofactor of 3 equal to, we are having the sign here plus, plus determinant of 3 lies in second column and second row. Close the second column and second row. Remaining elements we have to write in a determinant 1, 2, minus 2, 1 equal to, we have plus 1 minus of minus 4 equal to 1 plus 4, so 5. Now cofactor of 5. A23 equal to cofactor of 5 equal to, we have to take the sign minus into determinant of the element 5 lies in first column, third column and second row. We have to close second row also. Then the remaining elements we have 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. So that it's equal to, we are having minus of 0 minus 2 equal to plus 2. Next, cofactor of minus 2, A31 equal to, the element lies in third row and first column. So the cofactor of this one denoted by capital A31 equal to cofactor of minus 2 equal to, we are having the sign plus, so we have to take plus here, into determinant of the element minus 2 lies in first column and third row. So close the first column and third row. The remaining elements we have to take in a determinant minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Now we know that the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is always equal to, we should take plus of here minus 5 minus 6 equal to minus 11. Next, cofactor of 0, A32 equal to cofactor of 0 equal to cofactor of 0 we should find here now. So we are having the sign minus determinant of the element 0 lies in third row and second column. Then we have to take the remaining elements in a determinant 1, 2, 2, 5. So minus of 1 into 5 equal to 5 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. So minus 1. Next, cofactor of 1, A33 equal to cofactor of 1 equal to plus into determinant of the element 1 lies in third row and third column. So close the third column and close the third row. Remaining elements we should write in a determinant 1 minus 1, 2, 3. So that it's equal to, we are having plus of 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So equal to plus 5. Now cofactor matrix of A equal to, we have first element plus 3, 3 minus 12, 6, 1, 5, 2, minus 11, minus 1, 5. Now adjoint of A equal to, we have transpose of this matrix 3, 1, minus 11, minus 12, 5, minus 1, 6, 2, 5. If A equal to 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3, then verify that A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to det A into I. Already here we have the matrix A. Now here we have to find adjoint of A. We have to multiply A and adjoint of A. Then we have to prove that it's equal to det A into I. Here I means identity matrix. That is also equal to adjoint of A into A. Solution. First we have to find A11 equal to, that is equal to cofactor of 1. We know the signs plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So for this we have to take plus determinant of the element 1 lies in first row and first column. So close the first row and first column. Remaining elements we have 0, minus 2, 0, 3 equal to 0 into 3, 0, minus 0 equal to 0. Next we have to find A12. A12 equal to sign is minus, minus determinant of the element minus 1 lies in first row and second column. So remaining elements we have to take now. So 3 minus 2, 1, 3 equal to minus of 3 into 3, 9, minus minus 2 equal to minus 11. Next we have A22, A13, A13 equal to cofactor of 2. We are having the sign is plus into determinant of 2 lies in first row and third column. So the remaining elements we have 3, 0, 1, 0 equal to plus of 3 into 0, 0 minus 0. So equal to 0. Next A21 equal to sign is we are having minus into determinant of 3 lies in second row and first column. Close the second row and first column. We have the remaining elements minus 1, 2, 0, 3 equal to, we have minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 0 equal to, here we are having plus 3. Next A22 equal to sign is we are having plus determinant of the element 0 lies in second row and second column. So close the second column and second row. Then the remaining elements we have 1, 2, 1, 3. Now it's equal to plus of 1 into 3, 3 minus we are having 2. So equal to plus 1. Next A23 equal to minus of determinant of second row and third column. This is the third column and this is the second row. So second row and third column if you close, the remaining elements we have 1 minus 1, 1, 0 equal to minus of 0, 1 into 0, 0 minus of minus 1 equal to minus 1. Next A31 equal to plus of determinant of the element 1 lies in first column and third row. Then we have minus 1, 2, 0 minus 2 equal to plus of 2 minus 0 equal to plus 2. Next A32 equal to minus of determinant of the element 0 lies in third row and second column. So the remaining elements we have 1, 2, 3 minus 2 equal to minus of minus 2 minus 3 into 2, 6 equal to plus 8. Next A33 equal to, here we have the element 3 lies in third row and third column. So close the third row and third column. Then we have plus of 1 minus 1, 3, 0. So equal to, we have plus of 0 minus of minus 3 equal to plus 3. Therefore now adjoint of A equal to, we have to take the transpose of the cofactor matrix. so that it's equal to, here we are having 0, minus 11, 0, next 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 8, 3. Now we have to find A into adjoint of A. This adjoint of A is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Now A into adjoint of A equal to, the matrix A is given by 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 2, 3 0 minus 2, 1 0 3 into adjoint of A equal to 0 3 2, minus 11, 1 8, 0 minus 1 3 equal to, here we have to multiply these two matrices. We have to take first row and first column. So first row into first column we have to multiply. 1 into 0, 0, plus minus 1 into minus 11, plus 11, plus 2 into 0, plus 0. Similarly, we have to take now first row into second column. Corresponding elements we have to multiply and the remaining elements we have to add. After multiplying we have to add 1 into 3, 3, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 2. Next, first row into third column, 1 into 2, 2, minus 8, plus 2 into 3, 6. Next, second row into first column, 3 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 11, 0, minus 2 into 0, 0. Next, second row into second column, corresponding elements 3 into 3, 9, plus 0 into 1, plus 0, minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2. Next, second row into third column, 3 into 2, 6, plus 0 into 8, 0, next minus 6. Similarly, now we have to multiply third row into first column. So 1 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 11, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 1 into 3, 3, plus 0, minus 3, 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 8, 0, 3 into 3, 9. So that it's equal to, here we are getting 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. Now we have to find adjoint of A into A. This can be taken as 11 into 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here we are getting 11 into I. Now we have to find adjoint of A into A. So adjoint of A into A equal to adjoint of A is 0 3 2, minus 11 1 8, 0 minus 1 3 into A equal to, we have 1 minus 1 2, 3 0 minus 2, 1 0 3 equal to 0 into 1 first row into first column, we get 0 into 1 0, 3 into 3 9, plus 2 we get 11 here. Next, first row into second column, 0 into minus 1, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, so 0. Next, 0 into 2, 0, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, plus 6, so minus 6 plus 6 becomes 0. Now, second row into first column, minus 11 into 1, minus 11, plus 3, plus 8, 0. Next, if you multiply second row and second column, we get 11. Next, 0. Next, third row into first column, 0, 0, 11. So, equal to 11 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, equal to 11 into I. So, we got A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A. Adjoint of A into A. Both are same only. Now, we have to verify, is it equal to det A into I or not? Let us verify det A value here. Det A equal to determinant of 1 minus 1 to 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3 equal to, we have to take the signs plus minus plus. So let us expand along first row. So plus 1 into determinant of 0 minus 2 0 3 minus of minus 1 into determinant of minus 1 lies in first row and second column. So 3 minus 2 1 3 plus 2 into determinant of 3 0 1 0, so equal to 1 into 0 minus 0 plus 1 into 9 plus 2 plus 2 into 0, so equal to 11. Therefore, we get det A into I equal to 11 into I. Here we got A into adjoint of A equal to A into adjoint of A equal to 11 into I. Adjoint of A into A equal to 11 into I. Next, det A into I equal to 11 into I. From these three, we conclude that A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into A equal to det A into I. Hence proved.